What's up, guys? So today I'm coming to you from the garage and we're going to talk a little bit more about this incubator. So you can see I've installed 2 lights now. Still got the bowl of water for humidity. I installed the second light as a fail-safe. One light was keeping it warm enough, was heating it up fine, keeping it where it needed to be at. But I thought, well, what if my light bulb blows? You know, I'm gonna lose all my eggs. So we got 2 light bulbs, so it heats up a little faster in between cycles. All right, so with the 2 lights, I had to adjust this gizmo. I had it set at 38 degrees Celsius. And at 38 degrees Celsius, when it reached that, with 1 light, it was running up to 38.2, and then it would gradually start to fall. With 2 lights, it was getting up to at 38.4, 38.5. So what I did is I reduced this to 37, I think it's 37.8, to where now it does creep up to like 38.2. But at 37.7, the lights kick on. 37.8, they kick off, and it hovers right in that 37.7 to 38.2. So the recovery time I just timed, the lights run for 2 minutes, and then it takes it 8 minutes to kick back on. So I guess it's like a 10-minute cycle. 2 minutes worth of lights, 8 minutes worth of no lights. So pretty good deal. Definitely gonna be investing in an automatic egg turner or making one. Man, I hate trying to remember to do this every day. Every morning when I get up, every evening before I go to bed, or when I get home from work. I've just been turning them twice a day, so hopefully they do all right. So far, I mean, I can see good development in all of them, so I think we'll have a good hatch. I am still using my little incubator. It's got an automatic turner, so as eggs hatch out of it, these are the closer to hatching eggs. So as they hatch out of here, I just grab the next closest and kind of keep leapfrogging them. Because these are all different dates on it. I mean, it's just whatever I gathered that day, date it, throw it in there. Date it, throw it in there. So once they get to about a day or 2 from hatching here, if I notice them peeping or pay attention to the dates, then I move them down here to the tub, and that's where I let them hatch out. And I let them spend a couple of days in here, and it's been working out pretty well. So as you can see up here, we have the necessities of incubating. We have a little extra water, got a phone charger, got a really bright light for candling, because these are darker eggs, so it's really hard to see through them. Had this in there to make sure my temp was doing good. It was. So. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much the gist of it. We have been tinkering with it a little bit and all, and I think once I get that automatic egg turner, it will be an awesome little ordeal. Might even get 2 of them and put a second tray in there. I was looking on Amazon. The problem is the space. So this is kind of a smaller refrigerator deal. So it's only like a foot by a foot. And most of the ones that I've been looking at are made for like those little, oh heck, what do you call them? Incubators and stuff. So, you know, like 48 eggs. Well, I found one that was, I think, 18 eggs that will fit on eBay. So, you know, once the funds get appropriated, I will invest in one of them and update you again. Till then, I'll see you on the next video.